Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be going through the top 6 gift ideas for car enthusiasts, at-home DIYers, or professionals in the field. Links to all these OEM tools will be included in the description below to Mobile Distributor Supply, and at the end of the video will also be details for a giveaway. Gift idea number 1. A wide mouth, durable polyester tool bag, model number 24543. With a total of 21 storage compartments for a variety of tools or parts, this allows someone to maximize their organization ready for any task at hand. It has a rugged construction with a solid plastic bottom, includes an adjustable shoulder strap, and can be zipped closed. Transporting tools can't be made any easier either for those working at home or professionals in the field. Gift idea number 2. A 4-piece set of pliers, model number 22645. This set includes 7-inch side cutters, 8-inch needle nose, 8-inch linesman, and 10-inch adjustable jaw pliers. Hardened teeth for durability and improved grip, electro-plating coating to resist corrosion, rubber handles for improved grip and comfort. This makes a great addition to someone starting out or an existing toolbox. I especially like the design of the 10-inch adjustable pliers. With the push button, you have a large range on the jaw opening, making the selection extremely easy with a fine range for the finest of movements. Gift idea number 3. This multifunction power pack is a must-have either at home for your toolbox or stored in your vehicle. With its 12,000 mAh battery capacity, 400 peak cranking amps for a wide variety of vehicles, and has a IPX54 rating, making it great for outdoor usage. Included with the power pack is a charging cable and booster leads. With its magnetic base, it can be mounted on any fair surface. It features 2 LED lights, main control switch, current battery charge indicator, ports at the side protected by a rubber cover, and an extendable hook on the top. The work light has an output of 480 lumens, can also illuminate red, and flash. The flashlight at the bottom has a 60 lumen rating and features a SOS. Moving right along to gift idea number 4. Next is this compact digital battery, charging system, and starter analyzer, model number 24359. Extremely easy to use and supplied with detailed instructions, great for anyone regardless of their skill set. Able to test batteries in a range of 200 to 1200 cold cranking amps, voltage range of 7 to 15, and testing standards of SAE, DIN, EN, IEC, and CA. Gift idea number 5. Magnetic nut cups. Comes in a pair, model number 25115, perfect for keeping all those loose fasteners in one place so you don't lose anything. Can even be used to hold small tools such as sockets. The magnetic bottom serves 2 functions, keeping those ferrous items in place, and it can be stuck to any ferrous surface. 6 inches in diameter, made from ABS plastic, easy to keep clean, rubber coated bottom, and resistant to chemicals. And finally, last but not least, gift idea number 6, and this is the giveaway item. A 3-pack of dead blow hammers consisting of a small ½ pound, a medium 1 pound, and a large 2 pound. I do find these hammers aren't as well known as they should be. These can replace the need of a brass hammer or rubber mallet. The rubber exterior prevents any surface from being damaged, while the steel shot inside allows for efficient hitting force, a must-have for removing any components that you don't want damaged, which can be stuck into place, or for installing parts. These are not intended to apply extreme force, such as a regular hammer. Now for the giveaway. In order to enter, you must be in the United States, due to the shipping policies. 2 lucky winners will be selected 1 week from today, and they will receive a 3-piece set of these dead blow hammers. The Christmas giveaway is open to my subscribers, and to enter, follow the link in the description below, and then complete the desired actions. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Be sure to drop a like, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below of your top gift ideas. Thank you for watching.